The West Bengal Chief Minister Buddhadev Bhattacharya has called for a political solution to the continued violence in Nandigram. The Chief Minister today urged the opposition for talks, saying that when there is no question of acquiring land at Nandigram, why the violence? Nandigram continues to be tense after sporadic violence over the last 2 days. The CPM has called a 12-hour bandh in parts of the area in protest against what they call is Trinamool leader Mamata Banerjee's attempts to foment trouble in the area.
আমি কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের সঙ্গে কথাবার্তা বলেছি, আমি কালকেও কথা বলেছি পাতিলজির সঙ্গে। আমরা চেষ্টা করছি কি করে শান্তি ফিরিয়ে আনা যায়, কিন্তু এটা শুধু পুলিশ বা সামরিক বাহিনীর প্রশ্ন নয়, এটা রাজনৈতিক সদিচ্ছার প্রশ্ন। রাজনৈতিক স্তরে দুপক্ষ বসে আলোচনা করতে পারেন, যা হওয়ার হয়ে গেছে, যখন জমি অধিগ্রহণ হবে না সবাই শান্তিতে ঘরে ফিরুক।
Well, Monadeepa Banerjee now joins us for more. Monadeepa, trouble in Nandigram again. Nandigram making headlines for all the wrong reasons. The government clearly has its back against the wall here.
That's right. I mean, with Shivraj Patil calling up after the alleged attack on Mamata Banerjee's convoy, surely the Chief Minister has got his back to the wall and has had to explain what the situation on the ground is. Today has also been a turbulent day in the Nandigram area. There's a bandh called by the CPM in several blocks in Khejuri, in Nandigram, and several of those roads are blocked off by CPIM workers. So the media which tried to get into Nandigram today failed, and Mamata Banerjee took a decision that since the entire area is sort of blocked off during the period of the bandh, she would not venture into Nandigram today, at least not till 6 p.m. when the bandh gets off. So this, the ground situation in Nandigram being that the entire area, the roads leading to Nandigram being blocked off by CPIM supporters, no media allowed to go in, and Mamata Banerjee said she did not want a confrontation and therefore she would not go till the bandh ended, and that's supposed to happen at 6 p.m. Many other issues emerging at a press conference held by Mamata Banerjee also in Kontai a short while ago, soon after the Chief Minister's press conference. She also supported the demand of the Chief Minister. She supported the demand, saying that central intervention is required. This is the first time that we've heard from Buddhadev Bhattacharya that he has talked to the centre for Central Reserve Forces to be used in Nandigram as a last option. Mamata Banerjee has clearly supported the idea. Natasha?
Monadeepa, thanks very much. Well, staying with news in Kolkata, the CBI is questioning 2 sub-inspectors of the Karaya police station in connection with Rizwanur